Hey, this is Sean with the Pop-Up Homestead. I'm going to just give you a little update about last night's storm. We were up. While I tell you the story, you can watch our puppies. Our puppies are 2 years old almost. Shepherd, Lovey, and Joy, Golden Retriever. She is just over 5 months. So they're just hanging out, and she's growing very quick, as you can see. He's pretty big. Just only 5 months. Good grief. So we had a lot of wind. The rain didn't start till just after 1:30, and that was the last band that came through. All the other ones missed us. Just like being in our mother's womb. I mean, I just feel so blessed that we didn't have any damage. I mean, really, the only thing today over here, we had a couple branches, big branches that fell down, straight down. One you can still see right in there, right in that space there, but one's down on the ground. There's one little one there. You can see the other one back there. They weren't big branches, but that was it. We hunkered down really well. And as you can see, I'm going to leave them up there for a little bit. You can see that's we put those panels that we had. We had enough that was long enough to cover top to bottom, so that was really good, really good. And if anything, this was a good practice in being prepared, being able to know what to do when damaging winds are going to come, or hail. So now we've got a plan. We've got all the straps for holding it down. You can see the strap on the side there. So all those things are in place now. So when I take all that down, because that's the fun part, I get to take it all off now. So when I take it all off, we can store that all together, and then we'll know exactly what to do next time we need to, and be able to act quickly. Which is just part of that being prepared. And you see the windows, and you know what we really noticed last night, man, it was 73 degrees when it started to rain. 73 degrees. It was crazy. 1:30, quarter to 2. So I would say now it's about 40, 48, 49. So that storm obviously was the cold and the hot coming together and making it bad. And it was really bad for a lot of people, unfortunately, and they're all within our prayers, and their families. But we definitely hunkered down, and we felt very safe when it was over, like we were being protected by something besides our own effort. So again, very blessed and very happy that we're all safe and sound, and back to business as usual, running our business, building our homestead. A lot of things happening, and our puppies are growing. Lovey's coming into her own. She's very good with the baby, really good, very mothery / big sister. So yeah, it's awesome. So just a little update about last night. We made it through, and I know our friends up in New York, they're getting some weather today, so you guys be safe, and we'll see you on the next video. All right. Oh, there she comes. There she goes. All right. See you all.